So, welcome to day one of the 7-day mindful drawing challenge for inner transformation and self discovery. In case you're completely new to this, we are using mindful drawing to release our emotions, to connect what's inside us, understand something important about ourselves, and to experience a mini transformation. No drawing skills required, just some materials. I'm going to be using oil pastels, sketchbook, and a pen. So, this journey follows the steps of the hero's journey. It's a universal concept that's used for telling stories, myths, fairy tales. It's used in pretty much any movie. There is always a main character, a hero in the film, which is you. If you join this challenge, you are the main character of your life. In order to experience inner transformation, which will happen through the drawing, the character has to go through specific stages. So the step one would be discovering that something inside you is calling for a change, which is the theme of today, a seed of change. The fact that you're here in this challenge, that means that something inside you already called for a change and you received that call. So today we will plant a seed for this change through a drawing, and the journey will begin. So before I start any of the mindful drawings, I'd like to connect with myself, and that's exactly what I encourage you to do. Sorry in advance for using that visual, but this is life. So close your eyes, start scanning your body from top to toes. Try to relax into it. Tune into the sensations in your body. You can have many, like a tight throat or heaviness in your stomach, but today find the one that needs you the most and notice it. And while you keep your eyes closed, imagine if that sensation had a color and a shape. What would it be? Now we will take our drawing materials and start drawing this sensation. Draw a circle in your sketchbook. It doesn't have to be perfect. This is your safe container for any emotions that might come up. The size is up to you, but if you're short on time, a small one like mine might work better. Stay connected with the sensation in your body and the image you hold in your mind, and start sketching the shape that came to you. I usually place mine in the middle of the circle, which I recommend, but some days I feel like starting somewhere else, so it's really up to you. Just try not to make the shape fill the whole space. We'll need room for the drawing to evolve. Once you feel the shape is complete, ask yourself, what within me is ready for a change? You don't have to have the answer, just an intention. Then start developing the drawing further. There are two ways I usually approach this. One is to keep adding lines, marks, and colors that respond to that question or whatever answer arises inside you. The other is to let go of the question completely and draw intuitively, simply adding what feels right. Lines, shapes, colors. Step by step, let the drawing slowly unfold. When your drawing feels complete, pause and look at what came through. Write down 5 words that describe what you see. They can be visual, like blue, mountain, lava, or emotional, like powerful or hidden. Next, take those words and write a small poem from the drawing's perspective, starting with I am. For example, I am a blue stone, hidden beneath the mountain, away from the burning lava, but ready to be discovered soon. And finally, write a short message of encouragement from the drawing to you. Something small and gentle, like, have faith, things are shifting. So that is it for today. This was your first yes to the change, and that was already brave. You already done a lot. If you'd like to share what came up to you, please do this in comments here on YouTube. Or I also have a private Telegram group where you can share your drawings, join others, and ask me any questions. Tomorrow we will go to a deeper layer and discover what's holding you back from changing and from growing. But for now, that's it, and I thank you for being with me in this day one. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.